Hello guys, let's move on to the video. Guys, first of video, case battle, trade battle at case. And Danny Veves still got Night Dust 2, 2, 3, and 3, bro. Let's go. Free. No. Nice dude. Dude, come here, bro. Come on. I'm gonna win, bro, please. Okay. Crimson map, no problem. Elish, okay. No problem. Rarest, come on. Demarco, nice. 50, let's go. Keep it up, bro. Keep it up. I saw lightning strike, bro. Dragon King, okay. Hyper Beast, 22, not enough. Agent, okay. Commando, bro, 20, really terrible, bro. Okay, Midnight Storm, plus 3, come on. Same skin and... But not same price, bro. Not same price. It's meta. Okay, whiteout, let's go. 6-3, bro, last. We lost, yeah. We lost, but no problem. Yeah, same. Fast, bro, fast. Lord, I'm here, bro. Crimson map. Okay, same start, bro. Joe Breaker, nice. This is 27. Really good. Davis, come on. Simo, bro. I want a Simo. Okay, Wildfire. That's good. 59. Temerku, nice. No, Crimson Signs, bro. No. We lost, bro. We lost. Yeah, perfect. Really perfect, bro. What is that? This Diamond Dog? Are you serious? This is just trash. Inspiration, okay, bud. Hyper Beast, okay. 82, not enough. Let's 2. Maybe. Okay. Simo, we lost. Yeah, exactly. We lost, guys. No problem. Okay, we lost, yeah. 387, not enough. Again. Frey, come here, bro. Blade Glass, same skin and same price. Okay, same skin and same price. Man, I want a Simo, bro. Simo, Wildfire, okay, that's good. 59, or almost 60, guys. Fade, okay. The 6, huh. Nice, finally. Pocket Knife, Ultraviolet, this is 100, guys. 100. Finally, bro, finally, thank you. Plus 4. Okay, no problem. Plus 3. Okay, same skin, but not same price. Plus 2. This meta, bro, are you serious? Always this meta? Give me different, bro. Finally, thank you. 597, almost 600, guys. Really good. And still God. Again, still God. Let's go. Green Jago, maybe. Okay, at the end. 21. Okay, again. Shadow deck. No way. No, hyper base, bro. 22. Really terrible. One still god. Crimson Lab. Okay, just 18. Finally, thank you. Thank you, bro. Shadow Daggers Knight. Okay, that's fine. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. See you next time. Have a nice day.